Guys, good afternoon. It's right now 1 p.m. and today is 12th of December 2017. Let's see what's happening in the market. Market open gap down, right? And market could not sustain itself on 50 moving average. You remember yesterday I was saying I'm not going to enter right now. I'll wait for Nifty to come down. Once Nifty comes down, it has come down to fill up this gap. Can you see this gap? It opened gap up yesterday, right? So today it has come to fill up this gap at here, right? Now, I am expecting Nifty to go up, from here a little bit. Let's see, why am I saying and what makes me believe that? That's what I will show you. Let me put the pivot points. So wherever Nifty stands right now, it's on a very, very strong support, R1, right? It's R2. Right, Nifty is standing at R2. So let's see how it goes, because right now it is experiencing a huge resistance. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 means 3 hours. Nifty is under resistance. So if, let's see what may happen. What may happen? The moving average has to go above. If you ask me, in a broader perspective, my mindset is positive. Why? Because it is above 200 moving average. But in the short-term perspective, it is negative. Why? Because it is experiencing a resistance. You can see the resistance. It's right here. The resistance is right here. This is where the resistance is, right? It has to cross this resistance. To be able to be in a positive zone, it has to be above this resistance. So we'll wait for Nifty, we'll probably wait for international markets to open. As of now, it's honoring this support, which is our S2, right? It is honoring that support. Let's see how much it honors it, how much it respects. And if it respects nicely, it should go above. Okay, so Nifty, let's see what's happening in its option chain. Probably that'll give us a better understanding. So if you see here 10,300, there's a huge call writing happening, right? Put together, it's about 10 lakhs. And similarly, on the option, on the put side, the put writing is happening at 10,200. So in a broader perspective, the range is between 10,200 to 10,300, right? And where are we right now? 10,262. Let me see by refreshing what's happening. How are the dynamics changing? So what I could see here, that it's exactly same place where it was, so 10,300 is its immediate boundary. And we can see from here as well, this 50 moving average is the resistance, right? You can see that. It's roughly about this peak of this particular candle. Let me make it bigger. Here, if I take the pen, I can show you this particular point right here is nothing but 10,300, right? I mean, I'm going to little draw it and then I'll show you. This particular point is basically 10,300. See here, this is 10,300. Nifty touched it and came down, right? Nifty touched it and came down. So this is the futures graph, right? This is the futures graph. So let's wait. If it crosses in future 10,300, then I believe it will have good probability of heading up, right? And some of the stocks that I have on my radar are, let me show you some of the stocks that I have on my radar. One of them is Walchannagar, right? One of them is Walchannagar. This looks to me on a very, very good support. See how many days it's taking a support. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 days it has been taking a support. Now it should head up. That's what I believe. This is our entry price for this particular stock. So I'm hoping that it should give us a good run up. See, when you identify a good stock, whether the market is going up or market is going down, it's immaterial. the stock will only head up in one direction, that is upward direction. Bombay Dyeing was one of my stock. We gave it on rockers. It's been just going up. Every time it overcomes a pivot barrier of a pivot point, it heads up, it goes up. We gave VIP clothings, right? VIP clothings after pivot points, taking a support 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Now it's heading up, and I'm expecting it's already gave. We gave it at 53 rupees, and I'm expecting it to give a good return in the upward direction. We gave it somewhere here at this point. So I'm expecting it to really go up. All right, and I wanted you to take you to my YouTube space, because I really feel encouraged when you guys apply my whatever I teach, and and create good trades, right? I really feel very proud of each of you. So somebody has written a comment, I want to read it out to you. This has been written on this particular one. This comment somebody has written, I think yesterday's. He says that, ma'am, based on Nifty analysis, this is 𝐻𝐵. Hello ma'am, based on Nifty analysis, created position in Hindalco Limited with the stop loss to 33.5. Let's see. Although the market has been going down, let's see what's happening in Hindalco. He created his position from 233, right? That's his stop loss. And where is market right now? So I'm sure somewhere here he must have kept the stop loss. Somewhere here he must have kept the stop loss even further below, right? And see where the market is. Here, this is where he's kept the stop loss, 233. And where did the market even touch? 244 rupees. Excellent. I would say, if you are understanding, if you are learning, I'm absolutely fine. You learn. That's my only condition. How you learn, where you learn, just really don't worry about it, but learn. Because once you learn it, you will be able to, really see, a lot of changes in your thought process. I want to show you one more comment, which has come on my Hindi channel. So, I really like the way you guys are watching my videos, with the seriousness that you watch my videos. I mean, I feel, this is Ashish. What is Ashish writing? He says that, hello ma'am, I have come across your YouTube channel couple of days before. To be honest, I've never been seeing the stock market educational videos as you made. Really knowledgeable. I'm really thank you for sharing your valuable knowledge via video. I want to tell you one thing. Being women, you are a source of inspiration for my sister who's learning stock market. She is a mathematician. She's looking for Hindi videos. And if suppose in future, by God's grace, me and my sister's success in stock market happened, it will be definitely because of you and you only, ma'am. God bless you, ma'am. Keep guiding us in future. Thank you. I will definitely do that. But I'm requesting all my Hindi, members, please also watch my English YouTube channel, because many a times I can't make Hindi video. I request you all to watch my English video, and I will try to make my English as simple as I could, because I want to reach out to everybody, but the time is, that the only issue, that the only problem that I have is the time, because teaching for 2 hours and then filtering out the stocks and then, talking to so many, I get in a day about 50 calls. Some of them I attend, some of them, my staff attend. So many questions, so many answers. Entire day I'm spending into talking to you guys and encouraging you in whichever form I can. So, but I really admire your spirits, and I would say collect money by going through my Telegram channel. I have given you in my Telegram channel various breakout stocks. So go through them, find out and apply. I'm sure you will be able to, understand quite a lot of basics that I want to teach you. One, and two, I would like you all to collect money and get ready to learn. Get ready to learn, because once you will learn whatever the finer nuances, those will also be sorted out. Those will also be sorted out. So stock market means being 100% sure. You can't be 50% sure or 80% sure or 85% sure. You have to be 100% sure, right? So to be 100% sure, you have to know every single aspect of market, right? So learn that, and then I'm 100% sure you all will be really creating good trades. So whatever we put on our Telegram channel are actually the trades taken by our members to show you how accurately they are trading. All these trades that you see here are taken by our members. We don't give these trades, we don't give them. Some of them we do, but most of them are taken out by them, and they only trade. Okay, so now what I wanted to show you here, Nifty looks on a very weak zone right now in a shorter time frame, right? But if it honors this support, it will go up. And one of the reason why Nifty is heading down is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is really fallen today, massively, right? Bank Nifty is the source why Nifty is going down. If Bank Nifty takes a support and moves up, I'm sure Nifty will also go up, right? So, okay, so one or two stocks that I wanted to talk to you about are, I really don't want to give you any future stock, but I want to discuss about them. If you feel, choice is yours, or rather, I wouldn't give you any future stock. I have a few stocks in my mind, but I would not like to give them to you. But what I want to tell you here is that there are 2-3 banking stocks which are looking on a very good support. PNB and Canara Bank, they are looking very good to me. Similarly, ONGC, 𝐿 Industries are looking good. And RIL, I have given you RIL, I think RIIL, Reliance Infrastructure. No, I have not given to you, but I can show you here. Reliance Industrial Infra, that is also on a huge support for so many days, right? If the next candle forms above, it will head up. So these are some stocks that I wanted to talk to you about. But see, as Bank Nifty is experiencing resistance, so is Nifty. I mean, I feel Nifty is, right now in a not in a mood to consolidate. It's just heading down. I'm sure there are reasons to it. I probably have not watched the news, so I don't really know the reason. Is it the Gujarat elections, pre-poll, or is it the Fed meet, or I don't know what is the reason, but I haven't watched the news, so I really am not sure about it. But Nifty is experiencing a resistance. And I would wait for it to take a turn. Fine. So, what I also want to say that my webinar now starts on 6th of, my webinar starts on 6th of January. So get ready for that. And learn. Before you enter into the market, you have to learn. And quickly, let me just look into the Bank Nifty option chain, and let's see what's happening in that. What does it say? Is there something which we can predict from there if there is a turnaround? If it is so here is Bank Nifty. Highest option writing is happening at 25,500. Where is Bank Nifty right now? 25,159. And where is the bottom of the Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty's bottom is at 25,000. You can see here, highest call writing happening at this level, right? So the bottom of Bank Nifty is 25,000, and the top of Bank Nifty is going to be 25,500. That's the range of Bank Nifty in the coming few days. So if you want to analyze market and be in the right direction, please join our course, and I will ensure that every penny that you pay, you have recovered. You have recovered, right? That is a promise that we do, that we will ensure that you have recovered. All right. So good day, guys. Enjoy. And the trades that I have told you is Walchand Nagar, RIIL, and one more trade that I have on my radar is Arcotech, right? Arcotech also you can look into. So these are my stocks. Let's meet tomorrow. Let's meet tomorrow and see what's happening in the market. So market right now, if you look into the Nifty, on the broader perspective, it looks positive, but right now it has to honor this support and go up with momentum. Then I would say it's in the positive zone, and then that is where we can enter into Nifty. As I have been telling you, you remember I told you today it's going up, but I would wait for it to come to a support. If it takes an upward trend turn and goes above 50 moving average, then is my entry point into Nifty. That is when I will enter into it, right? You can also enter at that time. I don't know when will it happen. Maybe today or tomorrow morning, whatever time, but you can take an entry from that point. So with this, I'm signing off. See you tomorrow. Good day. Bye-bye. I'm waiting for you all to be there in my webinar. Bye.